Welcome back to Berry Life, bringing you easy and delicious recipes from around the world. Today, we're turning chickpeas into something seriously crave-worthy, a creamy, zesty, protein-packed vegan tuna salad that tastes so good, you might forget it's 100% plant-based. We've had it piled high on toast, tucked into a wholesome bowl, and scooped up with crackers. It's versatile, satisfying, and totally plant-based. Let's get started. As always, we start with prep. Here we have a couple of celery stalks. We'll trim off the ends and chop them finely. Celery brings the essential crunch factor to our faux tuna salad. It's hydrating, low calorie, and adds that classic deli style texture. If you don't have celery, try diced cucumber or fennel for a similar crunch with a twist. Fun fact, in the 1800s, celery was considered a status symbol in the US. People even had special glass vases called celery vases to showcase celery during formal dinner. For a bit of sharpness and depth, we'll use a yellow onion. We only need half of this large onion. Red onion works great here as well, and adds a bit of color. But if raw onion's a bit too bold for you and you're looking for a softer alternative, you can also try shallots or green onions. What type of movies do onions make? Real tearjerkers. For our herbs, we'll need parsley, stem and all, since we're going to chop it finely. Parsley isn't just for garnish. It brightens the salad with a fresh, grassy note that cuts through the richness. If you're not a fan of parsley, you can try cilantro or even a bit of arugula. But at the Berry Kitchen, it's a staple. Our next herb, fresh dill. We'll go ahead and chop off these woody stems. Dill is our secret oceanic weapon. It gives those classic tuna salad vibes, without any actual fish. If you're not a fan, try fresh tarragon, or a sprinkle of dried dill. But fresh really seals the deal. Did you know dill can talk to other plants? It does it through releasing an aromatic compound from its leaves that can signal nearby plants, helping them prepare for pests like aphids, while attracting helpful insects like ladybugs and hoverflies. As you've seen from our other videos, we love scallions in just about anything. They add a mild onion flavor with a pop of color and freshness. If you don't have scallions or green onions, you can add more parsley or try chives. We like this salad with a bit of zing. As it's summer, we always have refreshing kosher dill pickles in the refrigerator, and they're perfect to add a cooling, briny, and tangy personality to the salad. If you're out of pickles, you can add a dash of pickle juice if you have it, or capers. Summer is officially the season of the pickles. Actually, this week, we made kosher dill pickles at home. They're super easy and fun to make, and turned out really well. If you're interested in making your own, let us know in the comments below. We'll share the recipe. Next up, a few spoonfuls of capers, minus the briny liquid. These salty little flavor bombs are like fish-free umami magic. They give that unmistakable tuna salad flavor. If you don't have capers, try chopped olives or a splash of lemon juice. Now, here's another secret ingredient. Artichokes marinated in oil. The layers of the artichoke provide a flaky texture and a mild richness that mimics tuna surprisingly well. You can skip them, but trust us, they're a game changer. Marinated hearts of palm are another great option. Today, we're enjoying this salad sandwich style because carbs, who doesn't love them? Loving this veggie pack prep? Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. If you want the full recipe with measurements and substitutions, head on over to berrylife.com. We've got you covered. Alright, it's time to bring it all together. First up, chickpeas. Here we have 1.5 cups of boiled chickpeas, or one 15-ounce can equivalent, drained and rinsed. Using a potato masher, we'll give them a good smash. Not total mush. We want a complexity of textures. Think rustic, not baby food. Then, with a spatula, we'll give it a toss to break up any clumps. Next, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. This gives the salad a bright, tangy kick and helps cut through the richness of other ingredients. Don't have ACV? You can try lemon juice or white wine vinegar. Then 2 tablespoons of tahini, creamy, nutty, and totally vegan. Tahini adds body and richness without any mayo, along with 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Next, we have 1/2 cup of onions, 1/2 cup of celery, 1/2 cup of diced pickles, 2 to 3 tablespoons of minced capers, 1/2 cup of diced artichokes, 2 finely diced scallions, 1/2 cup of finely chopped parsley, and 1/3 cup of fresh dill. Just love the colors and fresh vibes of this salad. Oh, almost forgot. Freshly ground black pepper. You can adjust the taste. By the way, we're not adding any salt. The pickles, capers, and artichokes are already doing the heavy lifting in the salt department. Then, we give everything a thorough mix, folding gently, so we keep that awesome texture we work so hard on. Time for a taste test. Needs a little bit more black pepper and another good spoonful of Dijon. You can serve this right away, but trust us, let it chill in the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours. This will allow the flavors to deepen, mingle, and basically bloom. Time to take this vegan tuna salad to the next level. We've got our trusty cast iron griddle heating up on low-medium. Next, we drizzle a little oil on 2 slices of sourdough and place them oil side down. Then on one slice, we like to pile on shredded vegan mozzarella. And on the other, shredded vegan cheddar. Double the flavor, double the fun. Now we cover the griddle with a lid. The steam helps melt the cheese, and surprisingly, even helps the bread crisp evenly. Bit of sandwichology for you there. Now with the cheese melted a little bit, using an ice cream scoop, we plop a generous heap of our vegan tuna salad on one of the slices, then top it with the other slice, and gently press to let the bottom crisp up. Then, we attempt a high-risk maneuver, and carefully flip it over to grill the other side. That's it, looks perfect. Now, we just slice it up. This goes great with a side of salt and vinegar chips, or crisp for our friends across the pond, and a slice of pickle. Or as my wife prefers, scoop some of that salad over toast, flatten it out a little bit, and top it with a sprinkle of everything seasoning. A bit more dill or parsley, and some more scallions. Doesn't that look appetizing? We've also added the salad to a healthy and wholesome meal with rice and veggies, with a tiny bit of sriracha on top. There you have it, vegan tuna salad, a plant-based twist on a deli classic, right in the comfort of your own kitchen. Thank you for watching. Enjoy!